Let me show you how you can enable the cruise control on any Xiaomi scooter. And for that you need to go to your Xiaomi Home app, so install it if you haven't already. Then in the settings, basically at the top when you select your scooter, you can press this upper button here basically, and we can see this cruise control option here. So enable that and click OK, and it will show you what it will do here. Okay, let's click OK, and the cruise control is basically enabled. So how do you actually activate the cruise control? So when you're actually riding your scooter, you actually need to press your this accelerator and keep it at like a very steady position when you're basically driving. So and it will activate after 5 seconds and will start to beep basically. So once you hear that beep sound, continue like holding your accelerator for a bit and then simply release it, and it will continue, your scooter will continue to drive. But I find this cruise control to be very fiddly, and there is try different ways how to release it, because if you keep it holding and it starts beeping, but you only slowly release it, it will cut out completely and it won't enable this cruise control. So the trick I have found is you basically keep it at that position, and when it starts to beep, you quickly take off your finger, so it's very quickly basically done, and it will keep going and you can basically cruise along at that constant speed. By the way, you need to press and hold it till it reaches a constant speed of 15 kilometers per hour, and keep it at that speed for 5 seconds. Don't accelerate or don't decrease that speed by even 1 kilometer per hour. So it's very fiddly. And so yeah, be aware, it really needs to be built better because it's kind of terrible. So basically, to cancel the cruise control, you can press this brake lever, or again press and hold that power button, and the cruise control basically stop. So yeah, that's how I do it on these Xiaomi scooters. If this was helpful, make sure to hit the like button. See you.